Dear finance professionals and students, welcome to podcast of Fca Deepak Rao, a practicing chartered accountant. Daily news and updates for 12th April 2025. Facing escalating trade tensions with the US under President Donald Trump, the European Union is actively pursuing trade diversification by forging new agreements with countries worldwide. While lobbying for tariff reductions in Washington, the EU is accelerating trade talks with nations in Asia, including India and South America, aiming to offset potential losses from strained transatlantic relations. PwC has concluded its accounting review of IndusInd Bank's derivative portfolio, submitting draft findings to management amidst discrepancies in forex derivative transactions. While the review focused on accounting, Thornton Bharat is conducting a forensic investigation to determine the root cause and accountability for mark-to-market derivative losses. The findings from the PwC report are not currently available in the public domain. The Institute of Chartered Accountants of India, or ICAI, through its Auditing and Assurance Standards Board, or AASB, has released an exposure draft of standards on auditing for limited liability partnerships, or LLPs. This marks a significant milestone as it is the first time auditing standards will be notified under the LLP Act 2008. Under Section 34A of the LLP Act, the central government, after consultation with the National Financial Reporting Authority, has empowered ICAI to recommend auditing standards for LLPs. Responding to this mandate, ICAI has tailored a dedicated set of auditing standards specifically for LLPs by adapting the existing standards used for companies while making context-specific amendments. GSTN has implemented phase-wise changes in Table 12 of GSTR1 and GSTR1A. For the same, various advisories have been issued time to time which are available on GST portal. GSTN is going to implement Phase 3 of Table 12 of GSTR1 and 1A from April 2025 tax period onwards, which implies Table 12 has been bifurcated into two tables, namely B2B and B2C, to report the summaries of these supplies HSN-wise separately in the corresponding table. Manual entry of HSN will not be allowed. Taxpayer will be able to choose the correct HSN from the given drop-down. The RBI has announced the launch of a theme-neutral application facility under the ONTAP regulatory sandbox framework. Entities can apply with innovations across any technology or theme. Illustrative areas include digital financial literacy, digital lending, eKYC, identity verification, AI, blockchain, ML, smart contracts, tokenization, financial inclusion, and more. Entities interested may submit the application along with supporting documents via email. SEBI, through its FPI Master Circular dated May 30th, 2024, mandated additional disclosures for FPIs and ODI subscribers holding over Rs 25,000 crore in Indian equity AUM. Now, SEBI has revised the threshold under this size criteria to Rs 50,000 crore, easing disclosure norms for entities below the new limit. This podcast is sponsored by Sound of CA. We share because we care. Vande Mataram, Jai Hind.